In this video, I'll show you exactly how to export Browse AI data to your CRM software, a step-by-step guide that will help you streamline your process. If you're looking to connect your data to your CRM seamlessly, then you're in the right place. Now, you can actually use Browse AI completely for free right now through the link in the description where we're offering an exclusive bonus. Keep watching because I'll also show you exactly how to get the most out of Browse AI's powerful features to maximize your productivity. First, let's talk about what Browse AI is and why it's so helpful. If you're new to it, Browse AI allows you to extract and analyze data from websites, automating tasks that would normally take hours. It's particularly useful for marketing, lead generation, and any workflow that relies on gathering and processing information from the web. Once you've set up Browse AI to collect the data you need, exporting that data into your CRM software is a breeze. What you want to do first is ensure that you've connected Browse AI to the CRM you're using. Whether it's Salesforce, HubSpot, or another popular CRM system, Browse AI integrates with several platforms, which is what makes it so versatile. To start, head over to your Browse AI dashboard. From there, you'll want to click on the Export option. This will prompt you to select the type of data you want to export. Depending on the CRM you're using, there may be a specific file format that is required. Usually, it's a CSV or JSON file, so make sure you select the appropriate one. Once you've selected the data, you'll be able to download the file to your computer. The next step is easy. Simply log into your CRM platform. Most CRM platforms allow you to import data directly by selecting the file you just downloaded. In most cases, there's an import button on the dashboard where you can upload the file and the CRM will do the rest. Now, if you want to automate this process, Browse AI can also connect directly to your CRM using integrations and API keys. This means you can automatically push data from Browse AI directly into your CRM without having to manually download and upload files. For example, in HubSpot, you can connect Browse AI through their API to send your extracted data straight into your contact database. If your CRM doesn't have a native integration, don't worry. Browse AI supports Zapier, which can be used to connect it to almost any CRM out there. You can set up zaps to trigger actions based on your Browse AI data, like adding a new contact when new data is extracted. A major advantage of using Browse AI in this way is that you're able to automate your lead generation and customer data entry, saving you tons of time. And you're also minimizing errors that could come with manual data entry. Once everything is set up, it's a completely hands-off process. As you're watching this, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how much time does it really save? Well, here's the thing. Browse AI allows you to collect and structure data from hundreds, even thousands of websites in a matter of minutes. Think about how much more time you could spend actually analyzing the data and using it to drive your marketing strategy instead of just collecting it. Don't forget, we have an exclusive deal for you to get started with Browse AI for free, so if you're ready to jump in and try it out for yourself, hit that link below to access your extended trial. This bonus will help you get the most value, and you'll be able to see exactly how Browse AI can enhance your workflow right away. So there you have it, how to export Browse AI data to CRM software with ease. Remember, whether you're using manual uploads or automating the process through integrations, Browse AI can make your data management so much smoother and efficient. And remember, the link below gives you access to an exclusive free trial. Don't miss out. Start automating your workflow today.